Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a quick update on the channel. So as you should know, I did receive a copyright strike on my channel, which prompted me to remove all the videos on my channel. I know a couple of other YouTubers that did go ahead and do this method as well, just remove all the videos completely. That way you can still be in good standing with YouTube, because basically what happens once you receive a copyright strike, you then get put on a 3-month probation to see what kind of content you produce and if you will receive another copyright strike. I only have one right now, but they did remove multiple videos. So I have one copyright strike and I have over 93 videos. So any one of those potential videos could be getting a strike. So to avoid that, I just removed them. That way I can still be safe. I'll still have my subscriber count, I'll still have my monetization, and I can still produce content for you guys. That way I can also do my Kodi and APKs and possibly move it to a different platform. That way you can still view that, and then I can also post some new stuff to this channel. So that's a quick update for the channel. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Definitely keep rocking with me. I'm going to bring you some good content. I appreciate you riding with me this far. It's been 2 years in running. Appreciate you. You have a good day. Peace.